Hello, Professor. Good evening. My name is Naveen Guchari and I work at Liberty Mutual Insurance, and that is in Dover, New Hampshire. So I work in robotic process automation technology and I work on Blue Prism tool. So this Blue Prism tool, it integrates with most of the servers like app server and database server. And so I'll be working on the development area. So I work in creating the objects. Objects are like the process which interacts with the target applications like mainframe applications, browser-based applications, Java applications, and then we'll create a process. That process will call the object, so that the main whole logic and the business rules were created in the process. And these, according to the rules, this process will call any object that we created. It can be a reusable object or it can be a virtual business object. So it will call the object and the object will interact with the application and do the right work. So and once this process are created, we'll publish the process to control room, where in the control room we'll have then numerous resources like the bots, and we'll assign each process to each bot, and then we'll schedule a process. So when the schedule comes, it will trigger off the process and the bot will be logged in as Blue Prism credentials. And once it is logged in, it will kick off the process. And then a session ID will be created and it will use all the variables. So I work on creating the variables in the process, and these variables can be either environmental or global variables. So when I have to leverage most of the variables, then I have to make it as a global variable. And once it is done, I'll be checking on the session management, where I can see all the sessions and the logs. So these logs are stored on the database. The main criticality in this work is like keeping up the status of the bot and process as well. So this can be as critical as much, where the resource may go log off at any point of time, because it has to be connected to the server. So sometimes when there is any latency in the server area, then the resource will turn off and the schedule may not kick off. But we'll be receiving the input files and the stakeholders will be expecting the results. So when the resource goes down, then it will be hard for us to manage the situation. So for this thing, this critical situation, I worked on creating a checker bot. So this bot is like it monitors all the other bots that are in the production. So I've created a process to see the status of this bot on my local machine, where I've created some alerts on the Blue Prism tool. So these alerts will tell you if the checker bot is up and down, up or down. So we can monitor on this every time. And this checker bot will hit the database. It will pick up the status of the resource and the process as well. And it will send an email to me and my team for every half an hour. So we can see the status of this, both the process and resources. And we can be so alert that all the schedules are running fine and picking up at the given point of time. And yeah, this helped very much with this critical situation. And I've done many courses like the database security, computer security foundations within this course, and these courses help me to get much more easier with the database, because I will be working on the Blue Prism database. That's a SQL database, and these courses help me to learn more about the database security, how to retrieve the tables, and how to get the logs, and how to log the errors and receive them, and also how to get the archived parts, and also most importantly the credential manager thing. So this credential manager is like it's very important on Blue Prism. So for every bot there will be one encrypted password, and these passwords are said to be non-expiring. So these passwords will be able to log the bot into Blue Prism, and then the Blue Prism will kick off the process. This level of security, I've learned much more information about this security in my courses, and this helped me a lot. I mean, yeah, and then it also helped me with the PowerShell scripts. Like there are the scripting areas where the security information is required. So some of these courses help me in creating the scripts which are more secure, and it goes through the SSL layer. Yeah. So yeah, this is how my job is, and the critical areas in my position. And then I've also mentioned the courses that help me with these critical situations at my workplace. Thanks so much, Professor. Have a good day.